So what we try to do once a month is all the instructors and the admin team, all the really adults and staff in the building really like to recognize students who were just outstanding for one reason or another, right? And we all know that we look at, I think it's right behind you, sweetheart, we have the bell, right? So we've got be present and respectful, expect success, lead by example, listen to others. This is an opportunity for students to truly show what leaders they are. Every month, we recognize more students. So what will happen is you'll get a certificate and you will have a pizza lunch today. Is there anyone who doesn't like pizza? That's what I thought, okay. Pizza lunch today.
Wait, where's the pizza?
You know what, I made that stuff homemade. I've been here since 1 in the morning. I was rolling out the dough, I was making sauce, I was making cheese. I don't even know how you make cheese, but I did it. I don't know, I don't order it, Miss Wynn does, but we'll talk about it after. So if you get called up and you get a certificate, we would love for you to join us at lunch in the large, the large conference right on the other side of the building, okay? And we'll guide you, all right? So I'm gonna go first. This is, for those of you who don't know me, you all should know me by now, but I'm Dr. Schutz, so I'm the director/principal, and I am giving Student of the Month to Hayden Smith, and I don't remember if he's morning or afternoon.
He's here.
Is he here? Where is he? Hayden! So I wanna tell you, stand up here. I wanna tell you why I gave Hayden Student of the Month. So Hayden did not know who I was, and I'm gonna be honest, I did not know who Hayden was. And I was out here after break, and somehow, some way, a few people kind of left some garbage on tables. So I go around and I start cleaning up, and Hayden just walks up behind me, and he's like, here, I'll help you. And he starts cleaning them up and throwing them in the garbage, and I immediately was like, I'm like, what is your name? Because it was really kind. And you know what? It takes $0 to be kind, period. So I appreciate you helping me. Thank you, Hayden.
Good job.
Good morning, everyone. My student of the
All right, y'all, y'all tripping. Come on, man. Be quiet.
my student of the month for science is not here. She's an afternoon student, but it's Alyssa Kunkel. She has been working really hard. She finished up her biology class. So the last unit was a lot of like end of course test review and prep. And she was really excited as she could see that she had learned that stuff and she remembered it and everything. So that was really cool to watch. She also has started her biology class and is just knocking it out, or I'm sorry, her physical science class, and is just knocking it out of the park. So I just want to say congratulations to her, and
Thank you.
thank you.
Miss Power's the English teacher, and my student's in the afternoon class also, in the afternoon. His name is Armand Settles, and he always comes to class, he's ready to learn, and he gets started. I don't have to remind him or anything. He's a great role model to the rest of the class and really to all the students. So I'm really proud of him, and although he's not here at this moment, congratulations to Armand.
Congratulations.
I'm Mrs. Snur, I'm the math teacher. My student of the month is Rial Coulter. She started this year working on 2 math classes. She finished 1 math class and is currently working on another. She always works really hard the entire time. I'm really proud of her, so good job, Rial.
Nice job.
Alright, I'm Miss Cadle. I do orientation in all electives. I don't think I saw her. Ava Harry is mine. She was in orientation this year and she's now in an elective. So she always comes to class, she always asks questions, so advocating for your education can get you on this list. So speaking up, letting us know when you need help, that's what Ava does every time. She's typically here every day, so I'm actually surprised she's not here today.
She was here today. I didn't see her.
Okay.
So she might have left early.
Gotcha. But yeah, so I have Ava on my list.
Good job.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Nemeth. I teach social studies. And so my student of the month is here, Jennifer. She's a great student. And she does a really good job helping her friend who is learning English as a second language. So I'm just incredibly impressed by her maturity and how she handles herself and just what she does for other people, without question, every day. So thank you so much.
Alright, so, this person, starting off last year, he was in a different place than he is this year, and I've seen tremendous strides from this young man. I'm talking about from the way he carries himself to the way he conducts himself in the classroom. He doesn't know it, but he's truly a leader. People look at him, people watch him, and how he acts in class is how everybody, he sets the tone for the day. So Damon Alexander. I truly believe the sky is the limit for him, and he's just getting started. So, congratulations.
I think that's it.
That's it.
Because there's no
Okay,
question.
guys, that's it. Go ahead.